Okay, so you're gonna start by taking two of these bolts out, both 19 millimeter, or you can use a 3/4 like I did, top, bottom, to take the caliper off. Then I take my front caliper, put it on the arm to support it, take a 12 millimeter bolt, screw it in there, pop this off, put that off to the side. Then we're going to take our 9/16 bit, drill the top hole out nice and straight. I've already gone along and done that. It will fight you, it will catch, it will kick. Just take it nice and slow. Then we're going to take our spacer with the logo and a slight chamfered edge. We're going to spin this around, slide that into the hub, make sure it's nice and good. We're going to take our hub spacer, place it right on there. Take a mallet hammer, lightly tap it all around so that way it is seated. You can see right on the inside, right in there, when it will be seated and secured. Then with our adapter bracket, we're going to have the logo facing the inside of the car with a bump out at the bottom facing us. Placed on the back side, and then with the supplied bolts, we're going to take the smaller M12, which I've already never seized, slide it through the bottom hole, attach it to the bracket. Do not snug it up, just finger tighten it so that way you can still swing the bracket around. So at this time I would put the brake disc on, and then I got one piece Hawk pads. I would put the pads in here first, then slip the caliper on. But one trick I just found, you're gonna have to remove the bottom bolt to the shock in order to slip the larger M14 bolt into there. It won't go in with the bolt in the bottom of the strut. But then we take our caliper, place it up here, get one bolt started, and then take our other bolt that is never seized, slide it in the bottom, get that all bolted up. After that's all bolted up, you're gonna want to snug the 3 bolts, top, bottom, and the bottom third one you're gonna want to snug up all evenly, and then tighten them. At the same time, when you put your caliper on, make sure your bleeders are facing upwards so you can bleed it. After you have your caliper and your brake disc on, you can go ahead and reinstall the bottom bolt that you took out to the shock tower. After that's reinstalled, you can go ahead and attach your brake lines to the caliper. I'll be doing that this afternoon. I'm swapping them out for some Faction Fab stainless steel brake lines that I got. Then bleed the brakes and you're good to go on this side, and then just do the same process on the other side. Hope this helps, and stay tuned for some more install videos.